be riding my friend's little 50. Now, if you're wondering, how did I get his 50? So it's been sitting in his backyard for like 6 years or something like that. Whoa. Something's wrong. I'll adjust that when I get back. So you may be wondering, how did I get Off-Road Dude's 50? See, he just like gave it, like, so he didn't give it to me, he gave it to me to fix, so that's what he did. He knows that it's fixed, he's coming to pick it up today, so I wanted to record on it, go through my trails before he comes to get it. It's pretty fast, but not too fast. It has no clutch. You guys can 100% do that. I don't think I'm going the right way. The idle is like super high. I don't know what happened, but it's super high. Like right now, it's supposed to stop, but it's just going. Like, the idle is a little bit too high. I know it's way too high. Before it would only run for like 15 to 20 to 15 to 30 seconds, and it would only run with the choke on. So we cleaned out the carburetor. We did that, didn't work, so we cleaned it out. Second time, that didn't work. We cleaned it out a third time, really good, and that worked. So now it works with the choke. The suspension is not the best. Now it works with the choke off. It does not work with the choke on, which I don't know, like, why. Like, I don't understand why that happens. But if you put it on full choke, it won't work. But if you put it on like quarter choke, it'll work. So I gotta adjust the idle. It's not that great. It's like, it's supposed to stop, which it did this morning, but I have no clue. Oh my goodness, I have no clue what happened. So now it's just like really high idle, and I haven't really been uploading, but I've been trying to. Like, I'm giving it no throttle, and also the bar grip is gone. Before it was like slipping, so it wouldn't give it any throttle. So got super glue that on, let it dry, but the throttle works. So the reason why my friend really wants this thing to be fixed is he wants it so we can do a mini bike video like I did like before, riding my little Razor, and I like fix stuff. That's what he kind of wants to do. Remember, it's Off-Road Dude. Go check him out. Yeah. It's a good bike. I'm not a fan of Hondas. I'm not a fan of Hondas. He likes Hondas, like, a lot. I feel like I'm dragging something. Mini bikes are not the best for this trail, because they can just slip on any wall. Yeah. So last video that I made was like 3 weeks ago. I checked today, it was like 3 weeks ago or something. It was me on my 85 on these trails. Now, going through these trails on different bikes is a lot of fun. And fixing the bike before you put it on there is also, like, that's the best time to do it, because they're fixed and you gotta really test them out. So I'm still in third gear. I maxed out third gear a couple times. I might be in too low, because so the carburetor like my, yo, the suspension. I'm like bouncing all around on this bike. You already know like all the trail stuff. Yeah, so I just gotta go like do the other 4 trails. Not the other 2. This thing is like, I think it's a lot better than the electric one. I can't even find where the trail is because how many leaves there are. Kind of hard to find it. Like I completely missed like that turn back there because how many leaves there are. Does have power. I can do a wheelie real quick. What in the? That's a little bit better, but I really gotta adjust the other one. It's not the best idle at what it's at. It was. I don't understand what's happening with it. Must have reset on itself or something. Here we go. Like, it's very hard to stop now. Here we go. Thought I lost my phone for a second. I'd have to go all the way through the trail to go find that. Not all of them, but. Alright, here we are. This trail is easy to see. There isn't as many trees, which there should be way more because there's a lot more trees in this one. It's literally a deer right there. Oh my. Can I go across this? I think I have to go around. Well, the dirt has definitely slowed down the bike. Oh yeah, I gotta look out for sticks. I can. Oh my, dude, that is a weird looking wasp. I gotta get out of here. Oh, a tree branch fell. That's not sounded. I think that's just acorns. Might be. Now this bike has never seen my trails before. Like ever. The back suspension literally maxes out when you step on it. You know, when you sit on it. Front suspension, I hit a jump. It starts to, it works. It's not the best though. But it works. It works. Yeah, 2 more trails. That's the end of this video. And future video will be, I have a 50cc 4-wheeler, and I'll get that to work, and me and Off-Road Juice will collab with 50s. Alright, I'll see you at the 3rd trail. I just hit a huge jump and that hurt. No, I didn't hit a jump, I hit a pothole and that hurt. I don't know, are they like, if it's in nature, do you call it a pothole still? Or is it considered like a hole in the ground? since it's like at such a low idle because of how much like fuel the carburetor is getting, and the carburetor can't control it. So, and the tire grips are like flat basically. There's no grip on them. So it does do burnout pretty easily since it's like no grip. Literally, it's about to stall. I don't know, like, what to do. It's gonna stall. Because how much fuel it's getting. If it had low fuel, the throttle would start going up and down, up and down. I've experienced it twice. And it, like, makes you go forward and back. It's kind of annoying. I hope this thing is, like, if it doesn't have enough power to do in third gear, we're going into first gear. It's probably gonna have more than enough. All I gotta do is lean forward and just go. Gotta go. Gotta send it. Oh, I smell fire. I smell fire. Not coming from the bike. Fire coming from the bike would be bad, because this isn't even my bike. And my friend really wants to see it, and he wants to have it, so that would be really bad. Mini bike videos because they're not bikes that you're used to, so like it's a different bike that you gotta use. It's a lot of fun. If you guys have a mini bike, go record a video with it. It's really fun to record a video with a mini bike. But I think using like your actual bike on a trail is a lot more fun, but mini bikes are still fun. Like your little pit bikes, they're fun. This is a pit bike, I think. I think 50s are considered pit bikes. I know 110s are, but I think 50s are too. Imagine I'm just doing burnouts. Let's turn around right here, because I'm trying. Do a wheelie! Alright. That's better. I'm in neutral. Wheelie! Want to see me do another one? That was way too out of the way. Wheelie. It's not that I can't do perfect wheelies. I'm not not a wheelie.